To use your current phone with Visible, first check if it's compatible. Visible uses Verizon's network, so your phone needs to support Verizon's LTE and 5G bands. The most important step is the IMEI check. IMEI stands for International Mobile Equipment Identity, a 15-digit number that identifies your device. To find your IMEI on iOS, go to Settings, then General, then About. On Android, dials a 6 on your phone's dial pad. Then visit Visible's website at visible.com and use their IMEI compatibility tool. Enter your IMEI and the tool will tell you if your phone is compatible. As of October 2025, over 95% of Verizon-compatible devices pass Visible's IMEI checks. If the IMEI check passes, great. But if your phone is locked to another carrier like AT&T or T-Mobile, you'll need to unlock it before activating Visible service. Contact your original carrier and request an unlock. They might require you to pay off the device first. Third-party unlock services, approved by Visible, can also unlock your phone for a fee. Once unlocked, Visible will send you a physical SIM kit. Insert the Visible SIM into your phone, power it on, and follow the prompts in the Visible app to activate your service. No rooting or jailbreaking is required. As of 2025, most US-bought unlocked phones are compatible with Visible. If you have an international model, be sure to check compatibility as they may have regional band differences.